Friends, today I will be talking about vomiting in dogs. उल्टी क्यों आती है dogs को? It's a quite very common problem, and when vomiting starts, everyone gets panic. See, vomiting is nothing but gastritis. What happens in gastritis? There is overproduction of acid, so your dog vomits. Reason may be bacterial origin, origin may be viral origin where you find gastroenteritis, like in case of parvo or something like that. Renal may be of hepatic origin. Renal origin, if there is a renal failures because of high level of phosphorus in the body, vomiting starts. Sometime in case of pancreatic deficiency also, because digestive enzymes are not regulated well in body, it is deficient in body, you have indigestion problem and thereby you vomit, your dog vomits. So vomiting is just a symptom. The underlying causes are to be taken care of. That can be done by simple blood test, that is complete blood count. For renal test, liver test, hepatic test can be done, hepatic profile can be done, liver profile and other things. Vomiting can be done, can be seen one also in foreign body. If a dog consume everything, generally puppies are voracious eater, they catch anything. Dogs, they catch anything, sometimes they eat. So if foreign body issue is also there may be vomiting. So these are the reason for vomiting. Why I am making this video is, vomiting of single episode itself is not a problem. What happens once your dog vomits, you try to give water. See, when you are trying to give water, every time you give water or anything like that, it will vomit again and it becomes a chain reaction. So during night time, particularly when people tend to get more panic, what you have to do, if your dog vomit once, just ignore them. Don't give water, don't give food, or don't try to give any medicine, because no medicine is going to work. Leave your dog empty stomach for 5 to 6 hours, and that will solve the problem if it is normal gastric issue. Even though if it is viral, it may vomit 1 or 2 times and you will not get panic. You will get time tomorrow to get your dog to vet and it will be treated. If you just keep on giving water, keep on giving medicine, then what happens? There is ulcer formation in the stomach, there is more acid. When you give something, it goes there, it irritates the stomach mucosa and again it expels out. So it will just going on. So best way is to just keep calm, don't give any medicine, no water, nothing, no food for 6-8 hours, and most of the time your dog will get all right by yourself. Thank you very much, friends.